Oh, landed. Okay, today's topic, we're going to talk about how to solve a quadratic equation. The reason I'm writing on the board because my marker about to ran out of ink, so the topic going to be out of the title of the video. Thank you. Okay, so here's all the standard form for the quadratic equation. It is ax squared plus bx. See, look at the marker. It's about to run out of ink. It's equal to 0. Make sure it's already equal to 0. If it's not equal to 0, just move this to the constant. That's it. Okay, and here's all the formula how to solve. Okay, it's x equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so here's our first example. Plus 6 equals 0. What are a, b, and c? A or the coefficient stand in front of x squared, which is right here. Well, it's just 1. So the a is 1. And b is the coefficient stand in front of x, which is 5. So b is 5. And lastly, c, a constant, which is 6. That's it. And plug it in on this formula, you will get x equal to minus b, which is 5, plus or minus, so it's 2 answer. The square root of b squared, so b 5 is positive, so we don't really need the parentheses, minus 4, a is 1, so we don't really need to write it. C, which is 6, all over to a. A is 1, so technically we don't gotta write it. If you want to, you can write on the board. We'll just make clearly. So it's minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 6 is 24 over 2. This is equal to negative 5 plus or minus square root of 1, which is basically 1 over 2. So these are 2 answers. The first one is going to be minus 5 plus 1, which is minus 4, divided by 2. So the first answer is minus 2, comma. Then the second one is negative. So minus 5 minus 1, which is minus 6. Minus 6 over 2 is minus 3. There we go. Okay, let's plug in on the equation. 2 answers to prove both of them are correct. Okay, first one, which is minus 2 squared plus 5 times minus 2 plus 6, that's equal to 0. Minus 2 squared is 4, plus minus equal minus, 5 times 2 is 10, then you plus 6, and this does give you 0. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel each other out, so this equals 0. Yes, first one is correct. Okay, so the second one, okay, the second one will be minus 3 squared plus 5 times minus 3 plus 6, that is equal to 0. Minus 3 squared equal to 9, plus minus equal minus, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 6 equals 0. 9 minus 15, that's negative 6, and the same thing, this equals 0. Yes, so these 2 answers does give you 0, so this is our legit.